Chinga chingia na indo mwanche murigere rwegeta seni kia Ndizi TV ekerongwege na nogendrete kwegokia kubwati mirobero yonsi yeritko ria rero ritko ria Jumapili nigo charagire Chinsa Isato na ndekerondete gukwarigania ri nkumanye buna nara ya yankwariganiretie asenchera ere yobwikiranu nyoro nabokondra gotonyora se website yaito wetera www.ndizitv.or.ke aso mutandao Twitter nabo twitwetera @ndizitv_news nabo gotonyora Ndizi TV News Digital asensemere ya Facebook nabo igo Ndizi TV News asensemo ya YouTube. Iretariane Everline Osero urito kubwatirana nere kwene kia wikera sensemo imanyererio nigakoro kwa Joshua Auta kabana intwe komoerio. Manchi umurigeri banongo kwariganito chaka Amayia Chinsa Isato asenchera ere yoboikiranu korwase county ya Kisii awase omo MCA we wodi ya Ibeno yotoka sebunge ya Nyaribari chachime county ya Kisii Steve Arika litkolera baga kubwatana n'aba MCA bande nago cyako murobere oboko bwatukobokonyi go cyasabarokiwa nenchira ya moyo kubasira kwegenderere bya ase amasoma abo namono gukora bya ase amatemwa manene litkolera rero nigo batarira se skuru ya osase skuru ya secondary ya Nyamawa eyo Nyamawa mixed awasi baba kubwatoka obokonyi webintu au na ebitamba byobochenu na kuganiria baoroki wabuo Amayia ne bali bago chikokora amatemwa manene a form 4
Kobono atigaire amatuko makeigo elio amatemwa amanene y'omwakoyo gochaka bono nigo abaoroki wabagendete kweroberia keboikeranu elio gochagweta amatemwa ayo imeya wodia Ibeno ebunge ya Nyaribari chache omo MCA bwenseme yo Steve Arika nigo ara omoyega bokorwa ebyegwa buna geometrical set sanitary pads gati ebinde ebinge guchiase abaoroki wabeskuru ya secondary ya Nyamagwa mixed SDA anene mono ase abaoroki wabekirasi ge 12 ase abaganiria Amayia moto ya matemu amanene
bona abashimiwa bonse twalenta soko gusheria bana ba form 4 twabatere ninga bakora matemu bya mwalira bande batebigwe bana jiru ticket yendego yokora bya bande mbayu Nairobi baratarigwa igono gote abana bonse tiba koromukia na barayi bande bonse asemole koromukia abana basome egere na libarachi gotokonya chinga kichiamana egerege ntokere primary na secondary chance chire Ibeno ngonyora chirebo ngote yabashimiwa egenteke twachakire tari Ibeno yoka goita tore unatora basani goita egere tobe togo konyana asobo konyi gokonyarekana
basebiri chi form 4 bakoromukia asenge tobona amasomo na autorigireti achigotokonya kuchibusiga iga
bakoromukia tobeka samasabo tobasabera Amayia as they approach the exams basoke bale victorious
omoyego yo okeranwa na baraibande gati yabo omo MCA omonyero ward Peter Otachi nominated MCA Damaris gati abande abange kurwa award yo nigo barwa obosemya gochiase abaorokiwa abo ase batebire gati ya makongu ali bagwetera
kiratu arigereirio muchando mongo ko banorina abana baita abanyaruka babeire bagusiriwa asengenjo chinchira chire cyobututukanu masomo tariko bamuya twanyora abana baitekero bagokorera counseling bakore example nambari goisanikiwa mono ase ebinte ibagutumika bya sanitary pads gorere twacha kurari Kisii County Assembly twacha kumusira twarete sanitary pads twachabete sponsored na Freedom for Girls and we are praying that eskuru eye ebeye mobo eranyore surprise for these pads for the girls
muma eta abantu bagotebanga kero mwana munyaruka empowered go empower the community go twasire gaiga twabarete sanitary towels richaru tuna Freedom for Girls dochenga abana baigure bya twabakwaneire
ase chinga kiecho nigo bateba mbache kwa abana abanyaruka chinguru ase okoba sanitary pads ase boigo abamurana barubwo batatiwa magega
tutaite kwa abana baita abanyaruka chinguru barasoro gongorwa Gusii kende nke batanga so that we empower girls so nene twaretaga iga ase skuru ya Nyamawa girls ya Nyamawa mixed SDA ne riyogoteba na Freedom for Girls. Our girls now are not going to be curtailed.
Abana banyolire chiboxa bana banyolire Santa Towers egera bagocha gukora matemu bali ba form 4 bakore bali nomogoko batabwati wasiwasi ende yonse
Yingo reporteria egeta seni kia Ndizi TV iretariane Mildred Mamanyi
Mbia mono murikeito Mildred Mumanyi asoroboti ururikiranu korwase county ya Kisii togotigana nayo nigo muraiwense Dr. William Samoei Ruto abaenekeire abamenyi be county ya Baringo na oburendi boisainembo chigotingiwa asensemeyo na nene amangana yo boibwetugo ayo agendete kwenekiwa na chiego ika omoerio gokwana chinga kibekira naso musangirekana bwa masabo ase egeti kyamorokerere yo boremi ya cabinet meye county ya Baringo. Ruto nigo aganya abamenyi be county yo gochamo na gutwara obwa mateboro buya asimona baga koenekia buna omorembe no chikoenekiwa ase orogonko rwa North Rift.
Tutahakikisha ya kwamba sehemu hii tunakuwa na amani. Tunataka watoto wetu wote wasome. Tunataka kina mama waendelee na kazi zao. Hatutaki watu ambao wanaletewa wanakuwa widows, wengine wanakuwa mayatima, watoto wanakosa kwenda shule. Tukiongea saa hizi kuna mashule karibu 20 ambazo zilifungwa kwa sababu ya ukosefu wa usalama. Mimi nataka niwahakikishie, whatever it takes, we must make sure that we bring peace in the North Rift. Wananchi wengi wa hapa North Rift ni watu ambao ni watu wa amani. Wananchi wengi hata pale Tiati ni watu ambao wanataka amani. Lakini tuko na watu wachache, watu wajeuri, watu ambao ni wako na kiburi mingi, watu ambao ni wakora. Mimi nataka niwahakikishie hawa watu wachache hatuwezi kuwakubalia waharibu amani ya wananchi wa taifa letu la. Na mimi nawauliza watu wa Baringo pia, mtafute ushirikiano na urafiki na umoja. Tutafute hiyo ushirikiano. Hata wakati tunatafuta kuhakikisha kwamba kila mtu ako na amani na watoto wetu wote wanasoma.
Gukwana somo sangirekana uyo nigo mukonyi bumurai wense Rigathi Gachagua neraganirie ebina byonsi bibegetuwe bosyo bwebigambero kubatukana nechingencho ao mona mangana ge siasa bibe bigotuguterware gukwana chinga kecho Gachagua nigo ateba buna ngencho teyo ekina kiaye kyo kyamubwatranete na mangana yobokurumi gotuguterware ekero abande bagendrete gosiekerwa ase amagosa amakamake nigo boigabaga kwenekeria abamenyi be county ya Baringo buna obokonyi ndagera muchigo chaka kwenanwa asensemeyo anena sabantu bali babere bawakwa n'umuchando bwenchara.
Juzi Your Excellency, maaskari wameanza kujitokeza, wanaenda wanaandika affidavit, wanasema walilazimishwa kutuwekea makesi ya uongo. Simulisikia? Alifika pale kotini akasema mimi niliagizwa na DCI nisukume huyu Rigathi Gachagua hana makosa, lakini lazima nihakikishe ameshikwa Friday alale siku 3 mpaka wachane na William Ruto. Akaambia huyu mtu tuliambiwa tumwekelee makesi karibu 10, tukatafuta tukamwekelea makesi 6 tumeondoa. Na hiyo ni mzuri na tunatoa shukrani, lakini kuondolea Rigathi Gachagua kesi haijatosha. Wale watu yote mliwekelea makesi muende mtoe hiyo makesi. Viongozi wamelalamika mambo ya chakula katika Baringo. Mheshimiwa Rais, tuko na chakula kiasi fulani, tutaongea na viongozi na county commissioner tukubaliane, na ikifika siku ya Jumanne Jumatano tutalete chakula katika county ya Baringo.
Abamanyi ao nigo bagendrete kurwa maigerio gocha sense ya Kenya igoro yobwagachi bwechinyomba aserigoriria inse abamanyi abo bakorwa se ensemo ya Korea inse morobero manyekanite na smart construction system okwana chinga kibarenga se egekarekyo nigo ababwatani korwa sense ya Kenya baenekire na nigo barengete kwagacha chinyomba wetani chiribu chimi emeronke chiribu chimi ibere na meronke 5 kero mwaka muwaziri wa mangana yo bwerania Eludo Walo na oenekia goseoba gakora omuroberi oyo.
We are going to explore viable collaborations and partnerships that tie up digital possibilities within the construction industry and with significant or particular emphasis on durability and affordability within the context of the Kenya Kwanza Affordable housing agenda.
Africa is growing fast, and we need strong partnerships and those who can help us to ensure the infrastructure we build are smart.
I encourage the participants at this forum to pull wisdom and build a consensus to help write a new chapter in our Korea-Kenya comprehensive strategic partnerships. Once again, we would like to express our sincere wish for the continued development of our bilateral relations and also for an everlasting friendship between the people of our two countries.
The sector has experienced tremendous growth in various investment segments. In terms of innovative low-cost building technology, the government has partnered with the private sector to establish centers for training practitioners on affordable building materials and technology, ABMT.
Ababunge ko ruachi bunge wetani komirit koria rero nigo bakoretaro ikase bunge ya Kiharu ero korigereria emirobero ya magendere ya berege gokorekana asenseme yokorawa no mubunge wenseme yo Ndindinyoro okwana chinga kyecho nigo abachumbabo bagokera umurobero ina gotena nigo bese miria mange ayubate babagoche gotumeka erio koreta magendero ase chibunge cyabo nakoenekeria abananchi amagendero buna ebwenerete.
We came purposely to listen and to see what they have done. This is my first time as an MP, and I want to make a difference and also serve my people the same way he has done.
And I know most of us members of parliament, when we were campaigning, we were using Kiharu as a model, and our constituents were telling us that they would like us to work the way Kiharu has worked. For us, we are neighbors, so they know what has happened in this constituency. And I think I would be failing in my duty if something like this was to happen, and I'm not here so that we benchmark and make sure that we deliver for our constituents.
This Kiharu constituency, the NCDF is so efficiently managed, the projects are managed efficiently, effectively, using very little resources, and we want to make sure that we have done the same for our constituency.
I want to say this is something which I thought it was being said by just making a say or a talk of it, but this is something which I can say it is wonderful, and this is the way to go. We want the whole country to emulate Kiharu constituency. We want to tell Ndidinyoro this is the sky is the limit, and we are going to emulate you. Some of us, we were just, when we were campaigning, we were using Kiharu as an enticement to our people to make sure that they vote for us, which they have done. We want to promise them that we are going to do the same and emulate, even to try and do even better. This is the way to go.
Ekerabo no egendrete korrokana na omochando bwabalimu no egendrete korrokana se ensemo ya Garissa nigo omosoero monene bwe serikali Nurdin Haj abairega kubori abayibori korwa senseme yo osemya abana babo gosomera obwalimu ekerabo no bakogenda ase chi university aniga yakwana asomuyega bwo koigora bene eskuru y'abanyaruka ya Young Muslim ya secondary asate ababuna aonye bana mbarigo chiko somera obwalimu lero omochando yo no chikogendera koenekiwa ase Meyo.
Tafadhalini wazazi, mujaribu kuwahimiza watoto wetu wakuwe walimu. Tuna shida sana Northeastern yote kwa mambo ya walimu. Kila mtu anataka kuwa nurse, kila mtu anataka kwenda procurement. Procurement unajua wanataka kwenda kuiba. Wanaona hii walimu hakuna faida. Lakini ualimu iko na faida kuliko mambo ya procurement, kuliko mambo mengine ambayo watu wanakimbilia huko mbele. Kama sisi tunaweza kushikana kuhakikisha watoto wetu wanaona faida ya kuwa mwalimu, basi tunaweza kuwa mbali. Juzi tulikuwa na watu ya TSC wanasema hakuna walimu ya kutosha, hata kama tumepewa as Northeastern na North special allowances, hakuna watu wanataka kusoma wala kuwa walimu, na hiyo itaturudisha nyuma sana.
ensemo y'abaraikuru ase orogongo rwa Nyanza nigo bagendereire kuburia serikali kweneki munango bekere mirubiri saine erio gukora umuchando bumurakera uyogenderete kwenekiwa ase chinsemo au ime yense ya Kenya okwana chinga kicho kwena nobokonyi bwendagera ime ye county ya Siaya omo waziri bwoberania Eliud nigatebire buna nigo bauchia kwene nigo bauchikubeke mirubiri saine yokoeneki abuna abantu bonse bali babiri bagwakwa n'umuchando bwenchara banyorire endagera erioko bakonya kwegenderera buya asama tukari busyo.
I would want to appeal to the government also to have a special program like this one for our urban poor in urban areas. They are equally suffering just like the people who have been affected by drought here. In the urban areas, the prices are unaffordable and many people are going without decent meals.
It will also facilitate optimal exploitation of our fishing industry by ensuring that we have got fish processing plants along the beaches of Usenge, Luanda Kotieno and others, so that we don't have a situation where fish is extracted from the lake, exported with nothing going back to the local community.
He had initiatives in the past, such as a Galana Kulalu irrigation scheme that was to take advantage of the Tana River waters, which has never taken off.
Umubaro bw'abantu bakirwe n'enchara nigo gendrete komenta kanaritko aserinde kirabono murakero gendrete kwenekiwa ase chinsemo au ime yense ya Kenya ekenigo kyaire ababwatanie gose abasamaria bayawe sokya nabo igo kubwatirana ne serikali liko gendera kurwo bokonyi bwendagera gochiase bali ababere bawakwa n'umuchando yo nigo abara ibe kanisa ye Catholic korwase county ya Nyeri bakorawa no Bishop Anthony Mueria bachakirie umuroberio inse kiumbe kemanyikanite na Hope for You ekibarengete ko sangereria shiringi wetani milioni 15 ichyo kugora endagera na gokonya abantu bali bakiri n'umuchando yo kurwase chi county isano na ibere.
The biggest drought in the last history of 30 years. We haven't had such a terrible drought. Some people have not harvested for over 6 seasons, especially in the marginalized area. The dry and semi-arid and arid areas, there are many people who are facing the danger of death. And so the Catholic bishops urged all Kenyans, all people of goodwill, to come out and do something. We hope that we can run this program for the 2 months that are the critical breach before. We are hoping the rains will come. Some have come in some areas. So we do believe that within 2 months people will have some food.
Umugavana bwe county ya Mombasa Abdul Swamad Nasir nigabeire gakoraria mabaga au ase emirimo busamabaga au yemirimo ase serikali ye county ya Mombasa okwana nabarika mangana ime county ya Mombasa Nasir nigo atebire buna ekirenga kyabe kenene no kubwatirana nabarai au nabo igo bali barachego chorwo kwenekia buna abakenya bakoreirwe amagenderero buna ebwenerete nigo bayigaboria bali baganitie kwenyorera libaga ase serikali ye county ya Mombasa gotuma amaukabo genkyo awasi barachikoringoriwa elio kwegwa amabagana okorro mwananchi bwe county ya Mombasa magendero.
The unity of the coastal region. Many things that we were able to discuss, what we can be able to do collectively. Ni lazima tuweze kufanya kazi kwa pamoja na tumeafikiana ya kwa mwenyekiti wetu ambaye hayuko sasa hivi mjini Governor Gideon Mungaro ataitisha mkutano ambao kwamba utakuwa na magavana. Tumeweka agenda kadhaa ambazo tutaziangazia jinsi watu wetu waweze kufaidi kwanza na hii Hustler Fund, jinsi watu wetu wanaweza kufaidi na mambo ya blue economy, jinsi watu wetu wanaweza kufaidi na hizi kazi ambazo kwamba ni za kwenda katika meli na mashirika mengine ambayo kwamba yalioko katika pwani. Ni njia gani viongozi tunaweza kuungana mikono licha ya tofauti zetu za kisiasa, lakini tuwe na jambo moja lenye kutuunganisha, nayo ni watu wetu.
Omanchi omuligere liboneka ronte gukorera Amayia Chinsa Isato asenchera yoboikiranu gago nigo eserikali egenderete koraria buna ebinyinyi byenyama gose oburori bwa COVID-19 nigo bogenderete ko enekiwa imense ya Kenya ase yabeirege kuboriwa gochaka campaign chokoena na chanjo anene ase abana gatie miaka 12 goika emiaka 15 eriyo gotanga kwambukira kwebinyinyi ebyo bya corona anene chinga kechiga omuyega we Christmas obereire yange gobono nigo bagendete gosegetwa kwene kebuna ngokora bare campaign nabo igo kwena ne chanjo gokeania omubaro bw'abantu baria bagendete kwambukerwa gose konyora oburoiro bwa COVID-19 ekerobono bugochigoswa ase entunda ya gatano na kabere mancho mugereria kerongo chigokora baigo omurikeito kurasa mangana yechigosori ndemo Stephen nigo akonginyoria buna ritkoria rero nigo chigosori enekiwa gosegosori enekiwa ase egeti kia Nyaure Polytechnic awase chitimu Isato chiarenge kogosoria yarenge timu ya Ndizi TV FC Grango FC nabaigo kereri Teachers FC ase togosori entangani Ndizi TV FC nigo bagosoria na Grango FC ase Ndizi TV bayikora Grango chigori Isato ase ibere gosoria kabere nigo yarenge gati ya Grango FC nabaigo kereri Teachers FC ase Girango babwa asokobeke goria yemo ase bosa Ndizi TV FC nigo na inde bagosoria ase egosoria gatatu na kereri Teachers FC ase Ndizi TV FC yanyorera obubwi ase okoyebwa kereri Teachers FC chigori Isato ase bosa ono ngagirete unande Stephen Nasare nabo igo Sultan yore Victor nigo bagogete buna barabo abararia bamangana ye chigosori koroga igasegeta seni kya Ndizi TV kurenda yomna yanda mange ritkoria ankyo no chikomanyi wase enchera ere yoboikiranu kwakera ngambia mono asogochora kurigereria Ndizi TV nabo bwansu bwo Gusii ekerongo konyora nabo kugandira gotonyora sensemere ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube tonyora wetera Ndizi TV News nabo go tweetwetera se omutandao to Twitter @Ndizi TV News waigo ase website yaito nabo gotonyora wetera www.ndizitv.or.ke erio togendra go sanga manke gono mwancho murigerere nabo igo ekerobwate ujumbe yao nabo gotoma wetera se namba egwera se screen yao gaukera chingaki erio tomanya sogendrete gotobwatikorwa na okogania kwao nkorokyo koiga gukuganeria obotko borobuya nabo igo burigerere borobuya chingaki chonsi erio tariane Everline Osero orto akubatra nere kwene kya wikera sensemo yeimanyerero Joshua Auta nabo igo kwene kerio gine chibiche kya wikera nigo twarengenere Abigail Nyanchama.